This is one of my YouTube channels. It's called Haha. It has 57.1 million views, and that's paid me $296,000 in ad revenue. I'm gonna go down to settings. I'm gonna change the currency from USD to Uruguayan pesos. And once I click save, you can see that the revenue changes to $12 million, which is obviously not true. So if I go back down to settings and I change this back to USD, you can see that it changes to $296,000. Cool? Cool. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Romayroh. I've been doing YouTube automation since 2018. I've made over $1.9 million across all of my Faceless YouTube channels. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it on this channel. Now, I know what you're thinking. What niche is this? What type of content did I post? Well, this is in the rap and hip hop niche. It is very similar to my celebrity news channel, the one that's paid me over $1 million in ad revenue, but we only focus on rappers and hip hop. Now, this is a channel that I started in late 2020 with my brother. And as you can tell, if you search this up right now, you can see that there's not many videos on it. And that's because him and I kind of got burnt out on the whole hip hop niche. Dude, I got tired of talking about rappers. Now, if you don't know, this is not my first rodeo. If you search up King Trending on YouTube, you're going to find this YouTube channel with 1.1 million subscribers. Now, this is a YouTube channel that I used to work on. I used to manage this channel for like a year and a half. And if you scroll down enough, you will see me. So this video here was posted on August 20th of 2019. It only got 18,000 views, but I was recording with my best friend Jared, and he's the one I started everything with. I mean, since high school, we were recording similar videos, trying to make some money before our parents forced us to go to college. I haven't watched this since the day we uploaded it because I hate looking at myself on camera. It was a lot of pretty light. I like Kyle. Kyle is one of my favorite rappers, I'm gonna say it right now.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever heard you listen to Kyle.
I don't know one of his songs. Yeah, don't watch it. Dude, look at my jawline. What happened? Look at me with the little Rolex on and my jacket that I got from a random Chinese company on Amazon. Anyways, yeah, that's how long I've been doing hip hop and rap news on YouTube. And as for my brother, he went on and started another YouTube channel where he kind of posts every now and then, but he just covers whatever he wants. He's no longer confined to rappers. But that's just us. You know, this was never for me. I was just trying to make money. Now, before I go into the step-by-step process and show you how to create a YouTube channel like this, I'm going to show you guys the back end. Because there's a lot of YouTube coaches and gurus that love to say that the hip hop or celebrity news niche has low RPM. They're fucking stupid. They have no idea what they're talking about. So this is the most popular video on the channel. It has 8.9 million views, 410 hours of watch time, gained 22,000 subscribers, and that video alone paid me $41,846. That's what I got paid for a 9-minute and 18-second YouTube video. Now, if I go over to revenue, you can see that the RPM was $4.70, meaning that for every 1,000 views that this video would get, I got paid $4.70. Now, here's something you have to be very careful with when it comes to the rap niche, and that's censoring, right? It's no secret that hip hop, rap, it's all very vulgar stuff, or it can be, because at least in my case, I lost a shit ton of money. Now, here is a video about Lil Durk catching Quando Rondo slipping. Quando Rondo sounds like a Pokemon. I know who Lil Durk is though. Anyways, this video got 1.8 million views, 114 hours of watch time, and that paid me $2,558. And it only paid me that because it had a yellow icon. It was limited. I mean, the title already kind of tells you what the video is about. Not advertiser friendly. And the RPM for a video, if you were to get limited, is $1.42. I mean, still relatively higher than YouTube Shorts. But yeah, not something you want to see with long form videos, because the amount of money that I lost, if we compare it to another YouTube video like this one here about DaBaby, that got 1.6 million views, 200,000 views less, and that paid me $10,796 with an RPM of $6.65. So yeah, pick your titles wisely and censor your scripts. But I'll go more into detail with that later. But first, if running faceless channels is something you want to get into, it might not be in the hip hop niche, you can go ahead and click the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, and that's going to take you to my school community. This is where you're going to find over 80 video tutorials where I show you the exact step-by-step process on how I started and launched my faceless YouTube channels. And in my school group, I also go live every single week where I speak with you guys directly, answer any questions, review your channels, all of that good stuff. There's also a lot more like free copyright music, access to editors, but I'm not trying to make this a whole OxyClean commercial. So if that's something you'd be interested in, you can go ahead and just check it out. But anyways, let's go ahead and commence. How do you start your own your own hip hop news YouTube channel? Where do you get video ideas, and how do you source all of this content? So step number 1, go on Google. Top secret shit here, boys. You know, a lot of people try to make YouTube automation sound complicated, right? They make you do all of this other extra shit that you really don't need. You can just go on Google, search up hip hop news, and just scroll. Here's one. The New York Times posted Rod Wave, hip hop artist arrested for these charges here. You can put this shit in production. But keep this in mind, when looking for news, especially on Google, you're gonna see a lot of garbage, right? A lot of random shit. For example, Fruit Loops links breakfast to beats with hip hop inspired campaign. You can't make a video out of that. No one cares, right? So you got to find the good shit. But if you can't find anything good on Google, that's not an issue, because you can go on Twitter or X and follow a bunch of hip hop pages, right? They know exactly what is trending, and you can tell by how many likes they have. So below in the description, you're also going to see the Twitter accounts or X accounts of a lot of hip hop pages that I personally follow. And of course, to source news. Now, the final way to get video ideas and get news is on YouTube. And it's kind of like any other niche on YouTube, right? You want to see what your competitors are posting. So if we go ahead and just search up the title of one of these articles and we throw it onto YouTube, we will be able to find YouTube channels like this one, Hip Hop Daily. So if we click on it and we click on their videos, we can see that their views are not bad at all. You know, 1 day ago, he posted this video with 56,000 views. 4 days ago, he posted this video with 18,000 views. 7 days ago, 56,000 views. Now, in my school community, I do have a list of niches. I also link you the YouTube channel of these competitors. So if I open up a few, we can find one like Batty Radio, where he doesn't have many subscribers. He doesn't get views in every single video, but this is the perfect example of a YouTube channel to follow, right? What type of news is he posting? Because if a small YouTube channel is getting more views than they have subscribers about a random topic, that's a pretty good green light for you. Now, here's another YouTube channel called Celeb Live, and obviously they have a lower minimum or average of views. But for example, 2 days ago, he got 14,000 views with a video titled Snoop Dogg Broke After Learning What Diddy Did. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that title is kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. And the last channel I want to show you guys is Hood TV. Again, they have under 100,000 subscribers. They don't get, you know, the best views every single upload, but every now and then you might find a banger in here. But yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to get your news from Google. You can get it again from Twitter, X, or Instagram. And you can get your news from other competitors on YouTube. Now, moving on to step number 2, which is scripting your entire video. Now, there's a few rules for this, right? I have a lot of beginners come to me and they show me their videos and they're only like a minute or 2 minutes long. And to be honest, I tell them every single time, might as well not post the videos, because with AI, there is no excuse for you not to make a video over 10 minutes. YouTube clearly favors, and this is my opinion, YouTube clearly favors YouTube channels and YouTube videos that are over 10 minutes. So here's an example of how easy it is to script write. Number 1, we no longer use ChatGPT, we use Claude. Claude is way better at script writing than any other AI software out there. Grok is a close second, right? But ChatGPT is out of the window. They put too many restrictions on it, right? Now let's go ahead and say that I'm going to make a video about Rod Wave. So I'm gonna make your life easier. All I ask is that you like this video and subscribe to the channel, because in the description of this video, you're going to find a Google Docs link. If you don't see it in the description, it's gonna be in the pinned comment. And that's going to take you to this prompt I have. Now, here's how to use the prompt. It's very simple. You just have to do 2 things. So what we're going to do is copy the title of this article, random article on Google. Then you're going to paste it here on this first line. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to give it 3 sources. And that's going to be links to other articles. So we would go here, we would open up one of these random articles, we would copy the link and we would paste it here at the bottom, and we would repeat this process. Try to give it as many articles as possible, because the last thing you want to do is give false information in your video. That is against community guidelines and your channel will be terminated for that. So I'm going to use these 4 articles. I'm going to copy the entire link and then I am going to give it to Grok. Also, I'm not going to lie, I think this is the wrong prompt. That was for a different channel. Okay, fuck. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try that again. Okay, same thing. Links are down here. Title of the video is up here. You're just gonna copy the entire thing. I accidentally used one of my old vintage Hollywood script prompts. So we're gonna drop that onto Claude and click enter. And there we go. Claude just starts writing a complete script using slang and the wording that the audience likes to hear. Now, I don't think this is long enough to be a 10-minute video. So if anything, if you use that prompt and it doesn't work, just say make it longer. And maybe give it more sources and other things to talk about, because it's probably just repeating the same shit, right? That the guy got arrested and blah, blah, blah. But anyways, let's go ahead and pretend like this is a full script. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy paste it into a new doc. The word count for this, yeah, it's only 935. Now this takes us to step number 3, which is gonna be the voiceover, the commentator. And you have 2 options for this. You can either do it yourself or you can use 11 Labs. I like using 11 Labs because my voice is not that great. So once you create an 11 Labs account, you're gonna see this. What you wanna do from here is go to voices on the far left, and then you wanna start demoing some of these. And all you have to do is just click on it.
If you really think you're alone
In the stillness.
Just 6 weeks. It is a season.
Tonight, we investigate True Crime UK.
Yeah, so we're gonna use this British man, okay? Fuck it. So we're gonna copy paste the first paragraph of our script into 11 Labs, and then we're just gonna click on generate script.
Man went from the highest high to the lowest low in less than 24 hours. This is about a brother who can't escape the streets even when he's winning.
You can hear that this voice is definitely not that great for this niche or topic. A brother from the streets. Yeah. Okay, but you get the point, right? You want to find a voice that really matches with the script and really matches with the audience. This one's definitely not it. But anyways, once you're happy with what it gave you, you're gonna click download at the bottom right, and it's just gonna download to the top. So then you would go back to your script, and then you would, copy paste that next chunk of your script, and then click generate script.
According to the arrest report, Atlanta PD...
Whatever, you get the point. And then you would just do that over and over until you completely generated your script with 11 Labs. Now step number 4, or 5, I lost count, is going to be the visuals and the editing of your video. For this one, you have multiple options as well. Number 1, which is the easiest, you can just go to fiverr.com, and we're going to search for YouTube automation editor. For an 8 to 10 minute video, he will charge you $30. In my opinion, for this niche in specific, I don't think it's worth it. For an 8 to 10 minute video, this guy Rizwan charges $20, which is not bad. So I don't know, start looking for options, contact these guys, and you can do it by just clicking on contact me there at the bottom. And then we're gonna see this. And from here, you would just say, hey, I'm making a video titled Right Away of Getting Arrested. I need you to do the visuals. The script and the audio is already done. Give me your best price and get her done. And that's it. Of course, this is gonna be a trial and error. A lot of these guys are terrible. I'm not going to lie. Like for example, this guy, I have no idea who he is. He does have 104 reviews with 4.8 stars. That's not bad, but for sure look at options. But the second option for the visuals is to just do it yourself. It is the cheapest route, and you also have control over the quality of your visuals. You can watch tutorials on YouTube, or you can watch tutorials in my school community. Talked about that one early, link in the description and in the pinned comment. Now for those of you wondering, why am I not doing a tutorial here? I got in trouble for that. I got a warning. So I did make the tutorial a long time ago, but YouTube didn't like it, so I can't. Sorry, bro. Oh shit, I almost forgot. For thumbnails, same exact thing. You can go on Fiverr, search up YouTube automation thumbnail, and you'll find a bunch of different options here. Or again, you can join my school community and you'll find multiple thumbnail tutorials here, including how to create thumbnails with AI. But yeah, you get the point. And again, to be honest, every single niche on YouTube or Faceless YouTube, it's kind of the same process. It's not much different. You know, if you're gonna be doing the football, the soccer, the celebrities, hip hop, this is kind of what you have to do. Literally nothing changes besides slight slang and prompting on the script and the style of thumbnail. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe if you want, or whatever.